Instagram just launched a brand new app called Threads, and it's designed to take on Twitter. But can they pull it off? Let's talk about it. For those of you who don't know, Elon Musk bought Twitter for $44 billion last year. And ever since then, the general consensus has been that it's falling apart. Now, personally, I don't agree. Twitter has always been really fun for me. Whenever I see a post that I just don't care about, I just tell it to never suggest me something like that again. A lot of people complain about the rampant ads on Twitter, but you can just scroll right past them. You know what's really annoying? 2 unskippable ads before a 3-minute video.
Did you just threaten me?
Threads has been set up as a competitor to Twitter. Your profile carries over from Instagram, so you can continue following all the same people. Not to mention there's no ads. No ads, but how are they making money? The same way Meta, Instagram's parent company, has always been making money. They collect your personal information and sell it. And this is all in the terms of service that you agree to when you open the app, but data sharing is a topic for a whole nother video. With users being carried over from Instagram, if you create a new account, you already have a good portion of your Instagram followers. Not to mention that all the people you follow on Instagram, you're already following on Threads. I find this a little annoying. Right now, Threads isn't nearly as big as Twitter, so it's just the same couple of people on your timeline over and over. The people I follow on Instagram, I like because of their content on Instagram, specifically Reels and Stories. And once I see a Threads post from them, I couldn't care less. I found myself unfollowing a lot of people on Threads on the first day. As a result, my Threads timeline is even more barren, with just the same couple of people over and over. But Threads is growing at an insane rate, with more people joining every day. By the time I post this video, it's probably going to be as big as Twitter. But here's the thing. Twitter and Threads can't both exist. They fill the same purpose, and until Threads is fully matured, I can't decide which one is better. It's looking like Threads is the better option here, especially once more people start joining. But if that happens, Meta will have a monopoly on the social media space, and I don't know if I want that to happen. I don't have a problem with current Twitter. Sure, it could be better, but I don't feel like it needs to be replaced. For me, Twitter's the best option right now. But like I said, if I can get 50 followers on Threads by my birthday, July 24th, then I'll delete my Twitter. Challenge accepted. Party on, dudes.